everybody, this is Derek Whalen, channel agronomist in Southern Illinois. I'm out standing in a cornfield today that actually isn't a typical cornfield. I'm actually standing in our short corn hybrid trial, which is part of the Smart Corn system from Bayer Crop Science. So in this particular short corn trial, we're looking at two different planting populations, one of 36,000 and the other of 44,000. So there's going to be several different benefits for short statured corn hybrids coming into the market here over the next couple of years. First, and the biggest benefit I would say we're going to get from this system is better standability. So corn that is going to be less susceptible to green snap and high wind events. So corn that might not lodge near as badly as some of our taller traditional corn plants. And with corn that's shorter in stature, we're going to be able to push those plant populations higher. So in typical corn production today, most corn is produced in 30-inch rows here in Illinois. And when we think about bumping those populations higher and higher, we're just adding more plants within the row. And as we add more plants within the row, closer and closer together, we get more competition between those corn plants, and we get skinny, spindlier stalks. So with the short corn system, we see this being a great potential fit in 20-inch or 15-inch rows. So by bumping the populations up in 20 or 15-inch rows, having narrower rows that are closer together, we don't have to put those plants within the row as close together with each other. Another great benefit from short corn is the ability to access that cornfield later on in the growing season. So now there's only a few types of high clearance sprayers on the market that can get across tasseled corn. But with the short corn system, a lot of sprayers that we can't spray at tassel now, we can use those. We can access those cornfields and spray our VT fungicide applications, or even come in later and apply an additional fungicide or nutrient package to these cornfields. So having access to these fields later on in the season is going to be a huge benefit to the short corn or the smart corn. So we're going to come out to this location a few different times throughout this growing season and showcase this new technology from Bayer. And here, straight behind me, we're going to see later on in the season just how big of a contrast or big of a difference we have in terms of plant height with short statured corn compared to the conventional corn that's planted behind me.